Welcome back to Be Rich. This is the first day of the new year. Happy New Year. Happy 2022. We have planned two segments for you. One on what happened last year. This is where most of the emails that have come to me, I have not been able to see these questions. So my good friend and young friend Adira is here. She replies to emails. So Adira is the person who replies to all your email questions. She in both what you send in MoneyPage and Be Rich. So she has picked up some questions on the year gone by, and she is going to ask me questions that she has seen in mails which she finds very difficult to answer. So that is part one. And in part two, which will come on the 2nd of January, we are going to talk about what you should do in this year. Welcome back to Be Rich.
So, hello, sir.
Hello, Adira. How are you?
I'm very fine. Thank you. How are you?
I'm great. So you are young kids. What is your plan for New Year?
This new year, I think I need to learn more about spending time alone because it's all quarantine and we don't know how things are going to be. I think gathering with friends is going to be difficult and people find it hard, to spend time alone. So I think I should learn to spend time alone, make it to the best of its use.
But have you not in the last 2 years? I know you just came out of college the year before.
Yes.
So last 1 year there was no college. You just wrote the exams and came out.
Yes.
Or did you don't have to write the exams?
Yes.
They passed you without writing the exams.
Yes.
And then you had wave 2, which you spent most of the time. And you just started working for 6 months, replying to emails and talking to clients. And now if there is a quarantine in the coming months, you will be locked up.
Yes.
So you just had 6 months with your friends sitting in office and working. So you have been replying to mails and talking to clients. So what are the most questions? Because there are thousands of mails which come, so I don't reply. Most of the time it's you and your friends who are replying on behalf of me and the team. What are the most popular questions that come? So what are the 4 most tough questions that you have faced?
There are some people who are asking like what kind of resolution they need to take in the coming year. So what is your advice for the youngsters?
The first most important thing is New Year resolutions don't work. We start with New Year resolutions, and within 30 days of the New Year, we forget the New Year resolution. So how do we solve that problem is something which I would like to speak. So normally what happens is when you start doing something, you remember this. This is called the Zigzag effect. So what happens is, suppose you go to a restaurant and you sit back and watch, there will be waiters around you all the time. And when they take down orders and the customer asks for a bill, they will be able to remember what the client ordered. They go to the cashier and say, this is what the client ordered. But after 15 minutes, if you talk about the same thing, they would have forgotten. So your job started is half done. So if I don't feel like writing every day, then I start writing one paragraph. By the time you start writing that paragraph, then it becomes a habit. So every day what you do not like, you do first. The most uncomfortable thing, you do first. Now for people, savings will be since they are talking about money, saving will be a very difficult thing. So for them, they can keep a piggy bank. And every day when they go to bath or when they start brushing their teeth, they have to take a physical 100 rupee note and put it into that piggy bank. So what happens is it becomes a habit that they are putting 100 rupees into a piggy bank. So by the time the month is over, they would have saved 3000 rupees. So they can split it into 2 index funds and put it into an index fund every month. So, or if you find the piggy bank very boring, you open a separate account and keep transferring 100 rupees, not put auto debit. That's not habit. So you physically transfer 100 rupees every day from one account to the other account. On the month end, the second account automatically sends it into a mutual fund. So you do the physical act of saving every day. Then if you weave it into your routine, that I have to make that transfer or put it into the piggy bank before I take bath or just after I take bath, then you won't feel, when you go to take bath without doing it, your brain will keep on bothering you. I didn't do this. I should do this first and then go take a bath. This is how you set up a routine and you continue to do it forever.
Okay, very nice. And then we have like youngsters who are like teenagers who are 15, 16 who come up with questions like, I would like to invest in stock market and index funds, and they ask advice for that. So do you think those teenagers need to start it now? Or what advice would you give them?
In Sanskrit, there's a saying called Subhashya Sikam. That is, the earlier you do, better. So Warren Buffett started saving when he was 7. So he bought his first stock at 7. So 15, 16 is a good age to start. But the problem is when you are in Indian, regulations are a problem. So if you are 15 and 16 and you want to invest in the stock market, you have to open an account in your parents' name and invest through that. If you can do that, nothing like that. Otherwise, you have to wait till you are 18 and do through that. I have a nephew who some people would have seen him on this channel before. He is now 18 years old, but when he was about 14, I gave him a separate my account, that is my own account in a Demat account, and he had an X amount of money he could invest every month. And he started buying his own stocks when he was 14. And the moment he turned 18, the first thing he did was he got himself a PAN card, opened a bank account and a Demat account to start investing. So, the earlier you start, the better.
Okay. And then, this year because of the Omicron and all that, they're not allowing anyone to celebrate the New Year. So do you think it's a nice thing, or they should have actually left it, or what?
I think we have to be very careful, especially those who are below 18. We have still not vaccinated them. See, Omicron is affecting those who are already vaccinated are not being affected in a major way. If somebody has already taken a double dose, then Omicron is not affecting them. Omicron is affecting those who have not taken vaccinations. So suppose you have a double dose, you still get Omicron, it will be a mild version of the COVID. But for somebody who has not been vaccinated, Omicron is deadly. So whether you should enjoy the New Year or not, it depends on whether you have taken a vaccination or not. But it is better to avoid it. You guys are young, you have many New Years in your life, and you have a long time to enjoy.
So staying at house, how do you think we should actually do it productively? Like anything to practice productively?
You guys are a very lucky generation. We never had that kind of access to information like what you had. Like the ancient library in Alexandria, which was burnt, had the biggest treasure trove of the books collected in the entire world, and it was all in forms of manuscript. Today, the internet has more books free of cost than the entire library of Alexandria. So if you don't want to read also, you can definitely look at listening to books. See, you find it very difficult to read. Then there are thousands and thousands, millions of audiobooks which are available free in any amount of topics. I'm not saying you have to study only finance. Any topic, even sports or anything is available free. So you should make good use of that. Thank you very much. So this is what she picked up from what young kids of you are sending mail to us in both moneypeche@gmail.com and berichenglish@gmail.com. I am really enthused to see that there are 15 and 16-year-old people who are writing to me. I encourage you to write to me. I am sure we will do a program where Adira picks up the most interesting questions for the week, and then every week she asks me these questions and I reply back to you. Thank you for watching. Be Rich.
Thank you.
It's a great privilege and honor that so many of you in thousands have subscribed to my channel and have supported me. I have written 2 books in English, The Alchemy of Money and Ordinary Stocks, Extraordinary Profits. These books are published by us and are ready. If you want to procure a copy, send us a message to the WhatsApp number given below and my team would respond to you. If you want an Amazon Kindle copy, you can click the link below. Finally, those who wish to consult with me can send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com. Once again, I thank you for your support. If you like this video, press the subscribe button of my channel, hit the like button and turn on the bell notification. नमस्कार, मेरा नाम आनंद श्रीनिवासन है और मैं एक पर्सनल फाइनेंस कंसल्टेंट हूँ. मैं 2 यूट्यूब चैनल चलाता हूँ पर्सनल फाइनेंस के बारे में। एक मनी पेज तमिल में है। मेरे बहुत से दोस्त बोले कि मैं हिंदी में एक चैनल शुरू करूं, तो मैंने एक पैसा बोलता है नाम का एक हिंदी चैनल शुरू किया है। मैं पर्सनल निवेश के बारे में ही बात करूंगा। आप उसको सब्सक्राइब करें, अपने दोस्तों को शेयर करें। अगर आप हिंदी नहीं जानते हैं तो पैसा करें। जो आपके दोस्त हिंदी जानते हैं उनको सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए आग्रह करें। धन्यवाद, नमस्कार।
For hot financial news reviews and economical updates, watch Be Rich. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.